Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Open the Shopify app and locate the image containing the round barcode. Position your phone camera so the code fills about 1/3 of the frame, steady your hands, and make sure lighting is even to avoid glare. If you're using the in-app scanner, tap the search bar then the camera icon. If using the camera app, open Shopify's camera scanner from search afterward. These first actions get the scanner focused and ready to decode the pattern accurately. Once the scanner is active, align the circular code so the central dot and surrounding bars sit inside the frame. Small offsets can cause failure, so reposition rather than zoom. Keep the device still for 2 to 4 seconds. The app will typically vibrate or display a loading circle when it detects the pattern. If it opens a page, note the code points to a Shopify URI. That's how the app knows which track, album, or playlist to load, which speeds content sharing and discovery. After the scanner decodes the code, tap the result to play, follow, or add the item to your library. Make sure you're logged in for full access. If the scanner fails, switch to a higher contrast image or take a clean screenshot and scan that. Sometimes cropping out extras helps. If problems persist, force close and reopen Shopify or update the app, because outdated versions can misread codes. These final steps complete retrieval and cover the common fixes that unblock most users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.